Hello everyone, this is Alejandra with creatingwithelly.com, and here I am showing you another quick and easy card for Christmas. This time I'm using the Timeless Tidings stamp set, which is the one that goes with the card kit that we had on the holiday catalog. And also I'm using the Under the Mistletoe Design Series paper, which is this one. And this one is out of the annual catalog. Anyway, I wanted to show you a real quick and easy card because I know that we're already in December and we are in the rushing time of the year where we have to make sure all the cards are done and ready. So at this point, I think that you really want to be making quick and easy cards. So let's go start on what I had already done. I have a piece of crumb cake, and this one is 8.5 by 5.5, and as usual, we're gonna go ahead and fold it in half using our bone folder. Then I have a piece of early espresso, and this one is, let me get my ruler. This one is 5 by 3 3/4, and I know I won't be doing anything on this one, so let's just keep going because I need to glue this one's there. Now this design series paper is, or this piece I should say, is 3.5 by 3 3/4, and this one is 3.5 by 1 1/4. So let's just put these two together. And when you're doing this, you just need to pick the design series paper that you like the most, and then cut it so you can have the combination. You can see this one, I think I like better this section, so I will be using this. Let me see, so we're going to be gluing this. I'm using the fast fuse, but I know, or at least at the time I am filming this video, there is still fast fuse on the, oh, what is this called? Clearance rack? Yes, that's what I meant to say. Clearance rack. And so definitely, I don't know if I want to use this one. Let's just keep going. Let me see. So you can still get some of that. Let me see. Do I want it there? It does look nice, but I want to use this one. So, and yeah, let's use this one. All right, let's use this one. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit, or one glue dot, it's not a little bit, but just one glue dot, and cut it. And then we're going to be using another glue dot in the midsection of your ribbon, and then one more at the end. Alright, oh, I didn't grab it. Alright, so let's just put this together. And you know what, let me just move this one a little bit, because I think it would be nice if it goes right in the edge. Yes, I think I like this one better. There we go. I'm going to put it like so. And we're going to go ahead and use our fast fuse, and we're putting this one here. Yes, like so. Alright. Then I have already die cut in Whisper White one of the stitch shapes framelits, which is the one that has the stitches all around. I love these ones because it has the circle, the oval, and the square in the same set. So this is by far one of my favorite sets to have. And then I have the die cut the escallop circle, the coordinating one, out of the layering circles framelits. So for this part, for the stamping, here's what we're going to be using. We're going to go ahead and bring the stamparatus, and I have made myself a little template. So I'm just going to put this one here, and I'm going to be using Early Espresso. So let's just bring Early Espresso. Oh. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and stamp. There we go. And then I'm going to be bringing this other one. I had already lined them up prior to filming this video, just to make sure it goes that way. And the way I did it is I actually just stamped playing here, then I put the circle exactly what I wanted, and so that way I can line it up exactly how it, and you can see it goes right there. You can see that? So that's a good way to use your stamparatus. Let me just bring this one out, and you cannot, well, I'll do this after. Let me just put the stamparatus somewhere else. There you have it. So now for this part, I'm going to be coloring with the Shaded Spruce, which is the same color from the cardstock. And that's one thing that I really like from Stampin' Up, that everything, you know what, I should probably use the light first, that everything color coordinates pretty well, honestly. I love that from Stampin' Up. So you can see the design series paper, the blends, the ink, everything color coordinates really nice. And I think that's a really important thing, because you don't spend time, you know, trying to see, can you see? Yes, what goes where. And you know, I remember going to the store multiple times to find out if it matches, and when I come home then I realized it didn't, so I would get really frustrated with that. And so having that with the Stampin' Up, it has been really a plus for me, because I wanted to make sure it color coordinates, and it really makes the designing part really easy. I just have to pick up whatever color I want, and then I know cardstock, embellishments, everything will color coordinate perfectly. So, what do you think, huh? Let me just go. Okay. Just want to make sure I color everything. And now that I have it here, I don't think I will be doing lots of, actually I don't think I will be doing any of the blending. I'm using the blends, which is our alcohol markers, but I think I really like it the way it is. I don't think I want to put, let's see, maybe I just do like a line here just to add some, but I won't be really blending it, you know. Yes, there we go. There we go. And then I'm going to be using the Puppy Parade, and I'm going to be doing this, and this is the dark, so I use the light and dark shades out of the what is this, Stampin' Blends Shaded Spruce, and then the dark of Puppy Parade. And here's what I have. So now this one, I'm going to go ahead and pop it up with dimensionals. You know that I love the dimensionals, so this is no exception. I'll use dimensionals in this card. And let's get this here. Ooh, that looks fabulous. There we go. So we're going to be putting this one here. Now for this also, well, let me just finish this. For this, I also think that I'm going to be adding one of those, actually 3 of the red, oh, before I do that, let me just do something else. So I have here a piece of the gold glimmer paper, and I'm going to be using the tailored punch. Before I do that, that way I can do the little banner ends, you know, you can see it better on this side. And then I'm going to be cutting this in half, and I'm going to go ahead and put glue dots. Where are the glue dots? Here. Let's just put those. That way I know I want them. So I think it will be really nice if I have something here and there. And then I can go ahead and glue the whole thing here. there we have it. So I'm going to put him right there. Then I'm going to bring the red rhinestones. And I'm going to be using the Take Your Pick tool. And I'm going to put them right in the center. Now, I did have to color them because it doesn't really cover completely. And I didn't want it to just show the white of the paper. So that's the reason why I color it. Because I didn't want to show any of the red. But you can see how nice it looks, right? I mean, I love it. So, I think that's it. It looks really nice. I love it. And so here you have it. So anyway, make sure to sign up to my email list. That way you can get all the updates from my cards, my classes, the promotions from Stampin' Up! And whatnot. And also make sure to visit my blog at creatingwithali.com, where you can get more inspiration about cards and other things that I have going on. And also there is an ordering special there where whenever you purchase from my online store and use the hostess code, you get the card kit in the mail. So more information on my blog. And if you have any questions, don't forget to contact me. I always like to hear from you. So what do you think? Are you done with all your Christmas cards? Let me know. Anyway, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.